What is up, guys? We're coming up on Christmas, and I wanted to kind of do this little unboxing thanks to Wagan Tech. I've been talking to those guys over at Wagan Tech for a while. Well, what's up, Josh? We got S-Pod Josh over here. Just texted you, buddy, actually. Need to send that switch panel out to you. Anyways, so I got a box in from Wagan. It's Christmas. It's always nice to get some gifts from partners. I mean, it's nothing super official, but we've been friends, and you know, I use their stuff. I talk about their stuff. I let them know about their stuff, and yeah. So we got another one of these. It's the Wayfinder XL. It excuse me. Been trying to shake this cloth. It's been a bitch. It's a nice utility light. Just keep it in the Jeep. Maybe for those larger breakdowns, get a little bit more area light. I've liked their lights a lot. I've got a couple of them. I've got some of their smaller format ones. I've got their little flashlight that also has a red light on it. If you guys are looking for something like that, I definitely give Wagan a little look. Got a lot of stuff. Anyways, it's got a little base. So it stands up by itself, which is nice. A lot of lights don't do that. It also has a magnetic base as well. So yeah, if you wanted to, it's probably not the best thing, my little, there we go, my little razor blade. But yeah, it'll stick to anything steel, metal, that a magnet can stick to. In terms of the lighting itself, let's take a look. I haven't charged it, so, oh, there we go. Okay. So, wonder if it's got different modes. There we go. You can see it start to dim. So a lot of their products have this smart switch, basically, where you can hold it down and either increase or decrease the intensity. And then I believe, yeah, they've got a little SOS. Fuck, it's so bright. They got a little SOS. Let me see. You hit it once, the light comes on. So if you're like stuck on the side of the road, God damn it, you're stuck on the side of the road, switch that on, and then I believe, there you go. It's also got flashing. So it's got constant amber, constant general white light, adjustable white light, and then a flashing amber, and a strobe amber. Look at that. It's got three settings on that. So that's pretty cool. I don't think there's much else on the white light side. So yeah, and then it's got a little threaded section here. So if you have a stand, you can actually stand this up and have it kind of point down on an area, which is also cool. And then finally, it's got this little rubber strap on top. So you can adjust that and hang it from stuff if you need to. And then with some of their larger lights, they've got this cool thing where they just include the light, or they include the charging cable into the light. So it just tucks away right there, out of the way. Nice little light. Awesome. Thanks for the gift, guys. Appreciate it. And if you guys are interested in smaller lights, I did a video that kind of covers all of my like camp lighting. Actually, after I did that video, Hardcore reached out and they're like, we're going to send you some of our rechargeables, which is pretty cool. So I'm looking forward to seeing that. Whoa, dogs. I'm looking forward to seeing that come in, and we'll be pulling those out and comparing them to the first gen ones that I've been using for the last like 4.5+ years. I hope you guys are looking forward to a great holiday weekend, and I'm sure I'll be posting more stuff up before then. But if I don't talk to you, Merry Christmas. That's just the way I roll. We do Christmas here, and whatever else you celebrate. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you are surrounded by people you care about and love. And as usual, more to come, guys. Take care.